Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your BlueCrew app, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you verify your BlueCrew timesheets? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your timesheets in the BlueCrew app anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a freelancer and you pick up shifts on the BlueCrew app, you know that sometimes the timesheets don't exactly add up, so you want to verify that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the BlueCrew app. It's this blue and white one here on the top left. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open my BlueCrew app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened my BlueCrew app. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find your timesheets on the BlueCrew app, first you need to click on this hamburger menu here on the top left, these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, you will see a drop down menu, and in order to find your timesheets, you need to click on this line right here called earnings. It looks like a little banking icon. Okay, so once you click there, it's going to open up your browser screen inside the app, and then it's going to show you your timesheets. So actually wasn't scheduled this week for working through the BlueCrew app, so I don't have any timesheets there. However, if you did work, it's going to show your individual timesheets that were recorded for this particular week. Now, if you need your timesheets for another week, you can go ahead and click right here, and then you're going to choose the week that started. So for example, let's say the week of the 6th of May, okay? And then a quick second later, it'll refresh, and it's going to show all the different timesheets for that particular week. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your timesheets in the BlueCrew app, that is the easiest way I know how to find them. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.